Hello, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are making a yummy jelly roll cake and we're going to dye it pink for Valentine's Day. The great thing about these jelly rolls is they look tough, but they are super easy to make, trust me. And you don't have to fill them with jelly. You could use a nice cream cheese frosting also. To begin, we're going to make a sponge cake, and for that we're going to need 5 eggs and a few other ingredients. For 3 of our eggs, we are going to separate the eggs from the yolks. Then we're going to take the whites and we're going to whip them until they are nice soft peaks. Then we're going to set them aside and make our cake. We're going to combine 2 whole eggs with the 3 egg yolks, and we're going to whisk them together. And then one by one, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. When those ingredients are all mixed together, we're going to fold in our 3 whipped egg whites. And because we're making this for Valentine's Day, we're going to make our cake pink by adding a little bit of pink food dye. Of course, you can use any kind of food coloring that you want. And this kind of cake is great for Christmas. You could make it green, you could make it chocolate, you could make just about any kind of cake. But this is Valentine's Day, so we want a pink cake. And after we have colored it pink, we are going to put it in a sheet pan and spread it out, and then we're going to bake it. The secret to making this cake is to make sure you line your pan with parchment paper. Then we're going to bake our cake for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. When the cake is finished baking, we're going to let it cool until it's cool enough to touch. Then using the parchment paper, we're going to roll it into a roll, and then we're going to set it aside for about an hour. Then we're going to unroll it and spread whatever filling we're using. We're using a nice red jelly because it is Valentine's Day. We're using strawberry jelly. You could use just about any kind of filling with this. We're also going to sprinkle a little bit of extra powdered sugar because we like sugar and it makes it pretty. Once we've finished with the filling, we are going to roll it gently back into a roll. This time we're going to remove the parchment paper as we roll. And it's that simple. At this point, we could consider our cake finished. We could just sprinkle it with a little bit of powdered sugar, and it would be beautiful that way. But we are going to cover ours with some melted white chocolate and make it really pretty for Valentine's Day. We're using a few pieces of white chocolate, and we're going to melt them in the microwave. Then we're going to take this candy cane that's been hanging around since Christmas, and we're going to just crush it up really easily. You could use your food processor for this also, and you can also use any kind of candy. Then we're going to just take our melted chocolate, and we are going to pour it over the cake and spread it out nice and evenly. Then we're going to take our crushed candy cane, and we're going to sprinkle it on top of the cake. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For more articles, videos, and the recipe, go online to PenelCentral.com.